Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 3 active, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the pin protection on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the crown button, like this, then swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here, swipe down on the screen to scroll up and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you need to scroll down and find the option called pin. Tap on it, and now let's tap on set pin. And here we can enter the pin we want to use to protect our device. Let's enter like this. Then we need to confirm it by entering it again, like that. Now the pin is set, and we can basically go back, lock our device, wait for a couple of seconds until the device locks, then try waking up the screen. As you can see, the screen is locked because we have this lock icon at the top of the screen, and to unlock it we need to enter the correct pin, like this. We can also disable the pin by opening the settings again, tapping on pin, and here we have disable pin option. You can tap it and enter the pin to disable it, the current pin. But before we disable it, we have also this option right here in the pin. You can enable or disable the auto lock option. Basically, the lock will enable itself when the watch is taken off from your wrist, and you can enable or disable this option. You can also change the pin by tapping on change pin, but we want to disable it, so let's tap on disable, enter the pin, like this, and when you see set pin right here in this menu, that means that the pin is disabled. And that's how you enable the pin protection on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.